At Westminster Tool, we're a small crew with big results. We deliver world-class injection molding services, from risk mitigation and design for manufacturer support to product development for plastic and metal components. We believe manufacturing excellence happens when you bridge technology and people. That's why we pair state-of-the-art equipment with teammates who are constantly sharpening their skills. We hire for character, train for skill, no previous experience necessary. If you share our values, we'll build you a manufacturing career from the ground up. As a proud Connecticut family-owned business, we're nationally recognized for a company culture that goes beyond what we make. It's rooted in continuous improvement, continuous learning, and emotional intelligence. Because ultimately, your challenge is unique, so is our solution.